In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a real simple and easy way to create wavy text effects just like this. Now, this is extremely easy to do. All we need is our text. Now, this is actually two words. As we can see, we have wavy and effect. Now, to turn this into a wavy text effect is really simple, and we're going to use one of the Canva text effects. So what we want to do is click onto the text. We're going to come up to effects just here, and then we're going to come down to this curve just here. Now what we want to do is slowly decrease this so it's slightly curved, just like that. Then we want to click onto the second word just here, put it a little bit closer. We're going to use that curve effect as well, but we're going to put it the opposite way. So what we want to do is have it round about there, just like that. And now we want to join these two words up. So what we can do is take this effect and put it next to it, just like that. And as you can see, we now have a wavy text effect. Now from here, what I suggest doing is just grouping these two words together. So what we want to do is highlight over both of these, then click group like that, and now this seems like it's just one word, and we can move this around. We can also make this bigger, or we can make smaller. Now if we just slightly turn that as well, like that, so it's more of a wavy effect, we can see it looks really good. But this is just a real simple and easy way to create a wavy text effect here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.